All right, yo, what up, YouTube? It's Mr.BuyTheDip back here with another video. I want y'all to know that the market right now is looking like it's gonna crash. We're headed into a downturn, but we always gotta know, sometimes we are a couple weeks from a reversal. We are literally sometimes a fake out away from into all-time highs, right? Remember what we did in 2025, right? Start of the year was slow, okay? From there, we pick up and end the year off green, okay? Nobody would have thought 2025 would have been a green year, right? But obviously, we get really uncertain tariff news, and the stocks drop big time. This time around, okay, what I'm about to show you guys, stay patient and stay focused on what I'm about to show you, okay? This time around, we have a new Fed, okay? So Jerome Powell is not the name anymore. That's the Federal Reserve. That is basically the people who look over inflation, the economy, right? Seeing if interest rates need to be fixed. So that is surprising markets, which is causing a lot of volatility, okay? Higher than expected, okay? So you got to realize, okay, if some people are selling based off of this, right? I want y'all to just look at this. Like, the SPY is still in an uptrend. The SPY is still doing pretty good based on last year, right? But I want y'all to see certain stocks have entered bear market, or certain stocks have entered a really, really, really bad downturn, okay? Remember, bear markets make millionaires. Bear markets make crazy opportunity because it's time for you to get quality for cheap. Mag 7 stocks, right? You got your Microsoft, you got your Apple, you got your maybe even Google, right? But I want y'all to really pay attention to Microsoft, okay? I've talked about uncertainty with the Fed. Then there's uncertainty with the government being shut down again, okay? That's just icing on the cake. It's not a good thing, right? But I want you to be looking at this as, hey, where can I buy Microsoft lower? Now, I understand people are going on to say, hey, software is dying, AI is killing software. Let me tell you this right now. The reason why people are saying that is because they don't understand tech. You need hardware, you need software to run a good business. What are you going to do with all them AI chips if you don't got a good software to run it on? What are you going to do with AI if you don't got a good platform to run it on? Microsoft is a core example, right? A lot of their business model is being attacked. People are thinking, oh, it's over. And their earnings weren't even that bad, okay? CapEx is there, but I want you to look at earnings of Microsoft being dropped 10%. That sets the tone, right? So when traders, when Wall Street analysts, people in the institutions, they look at Microsoft being down 10%, and we got a new Federal Reserve person named Kevin Warsh, and on top of that, we got government shutdown uncertainty, we got AI spending, nothing can drive the stock market up after that. So you see something like this, right? Government shutdown is on tap for this weekend. So I want you to think about quality companies, time frame, valuation. That's it, right? The game is very simple. I want you to block out some of the economic uncertainty, right? Because when economic uncertainty causes companies to drop, it's either 1 year, 2 year, a strong bear market of 8 months, 6 months, right? And then we are going to bounce back in a lot of these companies sooner or later, right? Because there's going to be a change that's going to happen. Go look at COVID-19. Go look at 2020. What happened in 2021? I want you to go look at what happened in 2021. Stimulus checks got released. The stock market went to crazy all-time highs. I'm not saying this just to say this. It's on the chart, right? You go look at Microsoft in 2021. That's a big boom. You go look at the S&P 500 in 2021. Guys, that is a big boom that's on the chart right here, right? But what is led after that? A drawdown, a pullback. So this is a cycle right here. 2024, slight pullback. We go up. I'm hoping another pullback, right? Then we go back up again. It is okay to feel like, oh, I'm a little nervous. I don't know what to do. Listen, you got to put your emotions to the side when you're investing in quality companies. I'm not telling you, oh, go invest in meme stocks, blah, blah, blah. Look, Netflix, Meta, Throw Uber in there, right? You can throw Meta in there. All of these picks are great. I want you to know that my position in Meta, I'm still up on Meta, right? Meta is a long-term hold. Microsoft, I'm holding till 600. I'm probably going to hold longer. Like, I want you to know that stuff like this is nothing but for you to be able to buy quality companies for lower. Now, dollar cost averaging is something you should be doing. Don't just throw all your net worth in a stock because it's down 10%, right? You got to put a little bit, it goes down more, put a little bit, it goes down more, put a little bit. You got to be strategic, okay? Quality companies, time frame, valuation. Do not buy a company that's already overvalued. If you don't know what that means, comment down below what valuation means. I'm going to explain it to you. I'm telling you guys right now. These things are going to add up and maybe make the SPY drop lower to 650, 660s, right? That is going to cause the stocks to drop even more. So you're going to see Microsoft probably at 370. You're going to see Microsoft probably at 360, okay? But you can't bank on that. Microsoft is a buy under 410. So you can't wait for the SPY to drop because the SPY may not drop, right? It may bounce. Everything is all said and done. Whatever. We got a reversal probably in March. We never know, right? So that's why I'm saying, like, you never know how much upside you're leaving on the table. So stay invested and stay calm, stay patient. The psychological game is very important in this market. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe.